All right, we got the tabletop drawn. It's drawn to whatever size you needed for your family. So you don't have to be the same size as me. Depends on your family size. So hopefully you take that opportunity, take a little bit of liberty, and choose different family sizes. Now, next thing we have to do is we're going to start developing our base here. So we have to draw all of this stuff as sketches and as little lines. So we're going to learn how to draw those as sketches, and then we're going to assign those little lines to be thick like this 1-inch steel here. So we're going to start out, I'm going to draw the base down below, the height of my table. Again, I'm making a 41-inch high table. You don't have to make a 41-inch high table, but you definitely can if you're going to make a bar table. So I'm going to go over here. This is a new tool that we're using. Kind of a cool tool. It's called Plane. And it says entities. So what we're making is one of these planes that we can draw on. So I'm going to click on this top surface of my table right here. I'm going to start bringing it down with the arrow. And I want to make this the height of my table. You may be picking a different table size right now. So mine was 41 inches. So I set this plane to be 41 inches off the top of this table here. Now I'm going to make a sketch on this plane. And I'm going to right click and hit View Normal to Sketch Plane. So now I'm looking at the bottom of the table. I want my table to be 3 inches in all the way around here. So I am going to draw my rectangle again. Center point rectangle, starting at the center, bringing it out. And I am going to set my distance from the edge of the table in. I want this to be a 3-inch overhang. Same thing over here. Bring this down, and it's going to be a 3-inch overhang. Now again, because I'm using an overhang from the edge of the table, if I change the size of this table, this bottom rectangle will automatically update. So what I'm doing is I'm setting this as the point that the leg is going to hit the floor, and it's 3 inches in from the edge of the table. So it's kind of a general toe kick size there. And I'm taking a peek at what I got going on there. There is my plane. And now I have to get the angle of this leg. This leg here is kind of tipped out. So I need to get a plane that goes from that 3-inch inset, which is these corners right here, up to that 12-inch inset up there. So again, I'm over here. I'm looking, this is 3 inches in. Let's go right to the front view. This is from the edge of this table straight down, that's 3 inches in. From the edge of the table to here is 12 inches. So I need to get a plane laying on that angle right there. So I'm going to go back to my part. And I'm going to turn on sketch number 1. So I can see this sketch right here. New tool again, we're going to make another plane. Instead of an offset plane, we're going to use a 3-point plane. So I'm going to pick point, point, and point. And now we can see that plane is laying perfectly at that right angle. Again, it's going to move the same no matter what. I'm going to hit the green check. So it's going right through that line. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to do a plane, 3-point plane again. I'm going to grab point, point, and point, and hit the green check again. And now I have the angle of my 2 side legs. That's how I'm setting up the planes for my beams.